Havana Healthcare is currently recruiting for overseas experienced healthcare workers, senior care assistants, and registered nurses. Applicants must meet the requirement to be on a healthcare visa given by the UK government to be considered for visa sponsorship. The healthcare worker visa can lead to settlement in the UK after 5 years, and applicants can be joined by dependent partners and children. So you don't need to ask me, can I come with my family? You can see it for yourself. This organization is going to provide you certificate of sponsorship, and you can move into the United Kingdom with your family. This organization is currently recruiting overseas applicants from abroad. So it does not matter where you are currently, you can take advantage of this amazing offer to move to the United Kingdom in 2025. As a matter of fact, they are going to walk you through this journey and give you the necessary support you need for your visa application, to your relocation to the United Kingdom, and your settling into the country. As you can see, it's stated on their website, we focus on delivering high quality compassionate care and select our team members for their expertise and heartfelt commitment to caregiving. Whether you are advancing your career within the UK or joining us from abroad, please underline that your passion for caregiving is essential. So all you need is your passion for caring for others. So in this video, I'm going to take you through the application process from applying to this organization and the step-by-step process till you land in the United Kingdom. So guys, if you're new here, you're welcome. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, turn on your bell notification so that you will not miss out on any opportunity to relocate abroad. And for my returning subscribers, thank you. Please everyone do well to like this video, just give me a thumbs up to encourage me. And without wasting much time, let's dive right in. There are different stages in the application process. So the first step is the initial application. You have to fill an application form on their career page. Then the second stage is the background verification. Following your application, our recruitment team will conduct necessary pre-assessment check. So they're going to send you a questionnaire, a supplementary questionnaire as part of your initial evaluation, which you must return within 14 days to advance in the selection process. So after you must have filled the application form, they're going to review it and send you a questionnaire for you to fill. So the first thing, they will check your eligibility to work in the UK. Then you're going to fill out the questionnaire. Then the third stage is you're going to be invited, shortlisted for an interview, and you are going to receive an invitation detailing the time and location. So if you are applying within the UK, you may be invited to their office for a face-to-face interview. That is if you are applying from the UK. But for applicants abroad, we will arrange an interview via a suitable video platform. So along with the invitation, you will receive a comprehensive job description, our referencing guide, and an onboarding flowchart to prepare you for the next stages of our hiring process. After the completion of all checks and your acceptance for our employment offer, so when you're done with the interview, they're going to give you an employment offer if you're successful in the 3 stages. So we will arrange for you to receive training in the UK. You will need to apply for your visa if not already done, and schedule your flight to the UK to coincide with the start of your training. So once you get your employment offer, they're going to arrange for a training for you, and this training will be conducted in the United Kingdom. So you have to go through your visa application. They are going to give you support for your visa application so that you can be available for this training in the United Kingdom. So upon your arrival in the UK, our team will greet you at the airport and support you as you settle in. You will undergo a 4 to 6 weeks training program, including the care certificate and mandatory training to prepare you for your role. Your trainer will assess your performance and behavior during this period, and passing this assessment is crucial for your employment with us. So the visa you're going to be applying for is the skilled worker visa. So, and to qualify, you must work for a UK employer that has been approved by the Home Office. You must have a certificate of sponsorship with information about the role you've been offered in the UK, and you must do a job that's on the list of eligible occupations, so be paid a minimum salary. So these are the requirements for the skilled worker visa. Your employment offer from this organization is an evidence that you are eligible to apply for the skilled work visa. So when you apply, you will need to provide your certificate of sponsorship reference number, which this organization is going to give you, and you're going to prove your knowledge of English, a valid passport, or other document that show your identity and nationality. So your international passport is needed, your job title and annual salary, your job occupation code, which will be given to you by your employer, the name of your employer, and their sponsor license number. This will be on your certificates of sponsorship. So you can go through all this information, for your visa application. You will need a blank page in your passport for your visa if you're applying from outside the EU, Switzerland, Norway, Iceland. So if you're applying from outside EU like Nigeria, Kenya, African countries, and India and all other countries, you would need a blank page in your passport for your visa. Okay, so the organization we are talking about is Aviana Healthcare, and they are located in the United Kingdom. So are you passionate about making a meaningful impact in the lives of individuals needing care and support? We are looking for positive and committed individuals eager to join a team that's like family. Joining us means being part of a daily journey to provide exceptional care and truly make a difference. So you want to ask me how to apply? Jumpstart your career by exploring the opportunities on our career page. Please note that we are only accepting applications submitted through our official application form for an advertised role. Please take note of that. We do not accept CV due to specific nature of the jobs. So to apply now, you're going to come right up here, these 3 lines. You're going to click on it and it's going to bring you here. You're going to click on career and it's going to take you to the career page. Here is the career page. We are recruiting, so they are currently recruiting. Are you a caring, can-do person? Want to start out in the care sector and build a rewarding career? So apply now. So Aviana Healthcare is currently recruiting for overseas experienced healthcare workers, senior care assistants, and registered nurses. Applicants must meet the requirement to be on a healthcare visa given by the UK government to be considered for visa sponsorship. The healthcare worker visa can lead to settlement in the UK after 5 years, and applicants can be joined by dependent partners and children. So you don't need to ask me, can I come with my family? You can see it for yourself. This organization is going to provide you certificate of sponsorship and you can move into the United Kingdom with your family. So the requirements for this visa, you must be 18 and above. You must work or will work in an eligible health. You work or will work for a UK health. You are competent in English language, IELTS band 4. Guys, it is very easy to achieve IELTS band 4. I'm talking from experience. I wrote both academic and general IELTS, and I can tell you band 4 is very low, so you can achieve it. You must be paid at least 10 per hour. You have provided a criminal record certificate from your country of origin, and you have provided a valid tuberculosis certificate. And these are the requirements for your sponsor. We receive a high number of applicants every day, so to be considered for a sponsorship, you must meet all the requirements. So if you meet all the requirements, then you can fill this form. Name of applicants, your first name, your middle name, your last name, country you are applying from, which country are you applying from. Then you are going to select your sex and the positions you are applying for. These are the positions that are currently available, guys. Community care worker, community support worker, a senior care worker, senior support worker, an RMN and RGN, that's registered nurse, and the date you're completing your application. So you're going to fill out the application form. I'm not interested in this offer, so that's why I'm not completing the application form. So guys, you're going to jump on this form, fill it, and just follow the step-by-step guide that will be provided for you. So you guys, you want to take advantage of this offer, jump right on it, fill the form. If you have any question, drop it for me in the comment section, and I wish you the best of luck in your application. Till I see you in my next video.